Our task is to setting up a AWS CloudWatch dashboard for monitoring application matrices. For that, to begin with, we utilize the AWS free tier account for this task. First, sign into the AWS management console, and after that, search for EC2 instances in the services menu. Select EC2 instances and click on the launch instances. While launching the instances, uh, provide a suitable name for that. Create a new key pair. Uh, After creating name and pair, scroll down to the advanced settings section and ensure that a CloudWatch monitoring system is enabled. Yeah, it is enabled. After that, launch the instance. Wait for the instance. Here we are successfully launched the EC2 instance. After configure these settings, click on the launch. A successful launch instance will display status checks such as 2 cross 2 by 2 check passed, indicating it running correctly. For that, we have to wait for some time. Refresh the page. Yeah, it shows 2 by 2 check passed at a status check. Next, navigate to CloudWatch and go to the all matrices section. Select EC2 and you will be observe key matrices such as CPU utilization and disk operations are average and etc. Upon establishing a successful connection, you will again access to the Linux command. After connecting this EC2 instance, uh, this is the Linux interface. Inside the terminal, use sudo su for the to check the instances are well settled or not, and use the top. Here the number of users and their utilizations, their CPU management we can observe here. These are the CPUs and the memory management systems in AWS. After that, terminate this and refresh the page. To simulate load and observe changes, use the command yes slash dev slash null. Sorry, it's null. There we can see the number of numbers are increases for this indicates CPU usage and reflex variations. Here change to the number. Here we can see utilizations. Now go to the SNS simple notification service to create a topic and subscription. Here we can create a topic. We can use any name. Well, I'm using demo. After that, click on the next step and create a topic. Yeah, here we can see a successful creation of the SNS. After that, create the subscription. So create a subscription and use a email protocol to check whether the notifications are is receiving or not. Create a subscription. Okay, it's successfully created. To create an alarm in CloudWatch, we have to use this. We will definitely get the email. It takes some time. After that, wait for some time for this. After that, click on the EC2 instance and click on per matrix per instances. Select CPU utilization. Uh, Change line to the data table, and we can use anything. Here we have a flexibility here. Uh, we can see min max, sum and average of the CPU utilizations here for the whole instances we have created until now. After that we can customize these timings and etc. Here we can see the instance. Skip this. Connect this instance. We successfully received a Gmail. Confirm it. Here we can see the status is confirmed and the protocol is email. Go to topic, and here we can see the details of the SNS service we created. After that select this instance and terminate this. We will use another instance for the alarms and settings. For the notification we use the past instance. Enable the same, we have to follow the same steps to create a same EC2 instance. We have successfully created the instance. After that refresh it. It will take some time and it passed the checks. We can see there. Yeah. After that go to the matrices and in select in alarm, all alarms, and select the matrices. Select EC2. Here we choose CPU utilizations for the new instance, and we can set the period. We can see the matrix over there above, and we can also set the statistics, average, sum and etc. And here we can set the threshold value for the alarm triggers if a CPU utilization exceeds a certain percentage. Yeah, click on the next. Assign in name to the alarm. I'm setting it as mine. After that we can see the threshold setting in the matrix. Create it. Once created, the alarm will actively monitor the instance. We can see that the conditions, the usage exceeds the defined threshold, it will enter an alarm state and send a notification accordingly. After that we can refresh this to check the state. It showcases the OK. It means the alarm is well settled. Select the instance and connect it. For the CPU utilization threshold setting alarms, we have to use a Linux command to exceed the CPU utilization. For using by using this command yes dot slash dev null, we can exceed the CPU utilization. Here we can see a threshold which is a red line, and a blue line is our currently utilization of a CPU. Here we can see all matrices, and here we can see the CPU utilization. Go to the browse and select a pre instances matrix, select a new instance web server, and wait a second. Okay, data tables and numbers. It will take some time. There we go. CPU utilization for the new instances. Okay, here we got one instance, one alarm. The red indicates in the graph signifies that the instance has breached the threshold value. Here we can see the one in alarm, alarm at new instance. After that, terminate the instances. Finally, after completing the monitor and alert setup, terminate the EC2 instances to avoid unnecessary charges and all. Here we can see one alarm is set for the new instance, and there we go. Thank you.